So, good afternoon, guys. Today we will do New York session. Let's see. So, let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes, and after I'm going to start with the daily analysis. And today in this morning, I have taken one trade. So, this week there is two win and one loss. And today, one win. Right. Lock. Now let's see. So I have to just wait for another 2 to 3 people, then I'm going to start with the daily analysis. So I'm going to announce in my Telegram channel. So just a moment. Because now it's a pre and Y. So let's see if we will get any trade. I'm waiting for 2 to 3 people, and after I'm going to start with the daily analysis. Okay, so there are 2 people watching this stream, so just wait. Once right now I'm posting on my Instagram, so just a moment. After I'm going to start with the daily analysis. Okay, so everything is done. So I'm going to start with daily analysis. Okay, so in daily, first of all, I have to mark this one is the fake out, right? So I'm going to mark this fake out with the mm, actually I have to note down like fake out. Okay, so this one is a fake out in higher time frame. Daily, right? For daily open, today daily open from price level 2363.900, right? So daily open, and after I have to mark the previous daily candles high, right? As per my analysis, the daily high and the previous daily candles low is too far from previous daily low, right? So as a day trader, this one is like a previous daily high, under the previous daily high to the daily low. This one is my trading range, and as you can see, price already break the previous daily candles high. It means now today I am looking for buy as a high probability buy, right? So let's go and check in the 4 hour, is there any untested? So in the 4 hour, this zone is untested, right? So I have to mark the zone with red one. So I have to be careful when price is at the area. And the 4 hour there is nothing. In the 4 hour is too far from where the price is now, right? So in the 2 hour, there is a lots of untested zone. Like this one is on also untested. So untested, right? So I need to be careful when price reach at those level. So this one is untested, right? And I have to mark with this as a red, so you can guys understand easily. And now there is nothing, everything is tested, right? In 2 hour. But as you can see in the forex.com, there is a 2 hour zone untested is somewhere around here, right? 237561. So it means in onda there is a 1 hour zone is untested 237558. It's nearby, right? 237561. So when price reach at this area, then I need to be careful because it's after that there is a fake out. So this is the original one, our resistance zone. So maybe we can get reaction from that. So I need to be careful when price reach at this area. That's why I mark this a fake out on a daily. Okay. So when price reach nearby this level, then I need to be very careful to take a buy or sell. So still I'm looking for buy, but if, as you can see, we got some reaction, and also on a reaction, or you can say like we also got the rejection from this level, right? So let's see if price flip bearish And in the lower time frame, it means in the 15 minute or maybe in 30 minutes, if lower time frame start respecting the previous candle's high and making new lower high and lower low, then I am looking for bearish. And my first TP is this untested zone, and the next, let's see how it goes. Okay, so daily analysis. That's how I do my daily analysis every day. First of all, you have to go in the daily time frame. You have to mark daily open, previous daily high, and previous daily low. So as a trader, that is our range, right? Previous daily high, and if price break the previous daily candle's high, then as a high probability I am looking for buy. And if candle broke the previous daily candle's low, then I am looking for sell as a high probability. So for right now I am looking for buy as a high probability. And I mark fake out, this fake out, because as you can see in the higher time frame, this one is a new in a past, this one is a new lower high and price created new, sorry, this one is new higher low and price created new higher high. And after price play bearish, price retested this zone, and right now this one is a fake out because this one candle is close above this zone, and after the next one, the candle next candle close bearish below of this zone. So this one is fake out, and this one is maybe price going to be retest this zone and start pushing downside. That's how I am looking for, right? We need to pay as a probability. We have to play as a probability. The trading is a game of the probability, right? So yeah, and in 4 hour you have to mark untested area. See in the 4 hour, this one is untested, right? So that's why I mark, and I also mark in the 2 hour. So in a 2 hour, this zone also untested as a bearish if I'm looking for sell. But the upside there is nothing. There is a, it's too far from, let's say if I got buy from here, then still it's too far, 8 to 9 pips. So that's why I didn't mark. Otherwise you can also mark this one and just mention it's untested one, right? So that's it. So that's all the zone, like a fake out daily one. The red one, we need to be careful when price. Now I don't need to mark this daily high. Why? Because price already broke the previous daily candle's high. So I'm going to remove this one because now it's, we already know price already bullish and price break the previous daily candle's high, right? So that's why I don't need. So that's it. Let's say how price, how can we like let's say if we get volume in uh, pre-NY. So because I think 50 minutes left to pre-NY, so maybe it's time to volume. We can get a volume. So for now there is nothing. So we have to wait and watch. That's it. And I will show you in the today morning I got a one win, right? So how I took that one. So my entry is from here. My stop loss is below of the previous candle, and as you can see my stop loss is too small for gold. It's 139 pips, right? So my target is 1 is to 1.5. Yeah. So within 9 minutes or maybe in 8 minutes, this trade hit TP. So I will show you why and how I took this one. So I have taken from somewhere around uh, here, and still it's daily not broken, right? But see, I will show you. In 4 hour, in 4 hour, price started respecting the all of the previous candle, right? In the 2 hour time frame, price making new higher low and higher high. See, it's a lower low. Let's say it's a lower low. It's a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now we are going to make a new higher high, right? And as you can see, all of the previous candle is respecting the previous, like these, all of this candle is respecting the previous candle's low, right? Every single candle, like 2 to 3 before this one, right? And this one is the sweep the liquidity and break the high, right? So in 2 hour, in 1 hour is the same thing. Price making new higher low and higher high, right? So as you can see, this week is a rejection week, right? You guys, is week is greater than body, then it's a rejection week, right? So what people think? People think now I am looking for sell somewhere around here. Doesn't matter when, where they are looking for sell. But if this 1 hour candle swap the liquidity of the previous candle and start going to make start going is going to break this previous candle's high, right? So it's in 1 hour. But in the lower time frame, because my main time frame is a 15 minute for the entry, so right now price is in this consolidation zone, right? So I'm going to wait for price break this resistance, and this candle is close above this resistance, right? This one. And as you can see, now price already in the lower time frame also following start creating a new higher low and higher high, right? This one is new higher low, and I think this one is the higher high, right? Now again this one is new higher low, and now I'm looking for price. Let's say if price making a new higher high, so I seen when I seen like this candle close bullish above this resistance in the lower time frame. So as soon as I also have I check like this previous candle before this previous candle is respecting the previous candle's low, right? So once this candle close bullish in a 30 minute, as you can see in 30 minutes also there is a this candle close bullish above this resistance zone, right? Once this candle close above this resistance and this candle, so this candle open at 7:30, right? So let's go and check in 7:30. So in 7:30, this candle created a wick to the downside on the 15 minute, and when it's break this 30-minute candle's high, as soon as I enter on this trade, and my stop loss is just below the previous candle, and it's my rule, like if stop loss is under 25 pips, I have to secure at 1 is to 1.5. So I already got this, I already secured. Right? As you can see in the lower time frame, like 1 minute time frame, price Bye. But this trade is a high probability and already retest my entry. So maybe I most of the time when entry is retested and then maybe I have to wait for the 2 RR or maybe 3 RR. And unfortunately this trade went to the 2 RR or maybe 3 RR. So this one is the high probability trade. So that's the today morning, earlier morning, I have secured profit. Hope you guys understand. There are, I think there is only maybe 2 people watching this stream. And right now, why I want to take another trade because as you can see in left hand side, if price go upside, then I'm willing to take another buy because it's everything is clear to the left hand side. 10 pips, right? So, and we need just 2 to 3 pips. So that's it on gold. So now see, ny open, pre-ny open, and 4 minute, uh, we already passed 4 minute, and see there is a volume. So I expect like this one is a fake out, right, in a high time frame. So maybe now that's why I mark this one is a daily fake out. So now price can go to this level and start pushing downside. And let's see after we can get a sell, because see for the sell this area is not good. We need to, we need lower time frame confirmation as like a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So till then we have to wait. So I think we have to wait for this area and for sell above below this area. As a buy, I am looking for above of this daily fake out, because there is a daily fake out. Also there is a 1 hour time frame rejection level, the resistance retest zone, this one, right? So that's why the previous day price rejected this all this area. So we have to wait and we need to be careful when price reach at this area. So still we have to wait and watch. That's it. So I think, see, we can, if you can see now, price is already reached at this area, and we got some kind of little reaction, right? So let's see, we have to wait for another, like of this 15-minute candle. As per my analysis, we have price maybe reject this zone, but let's see, because it's a game of probability. So I, it's just my thought as per my analysis and backtesting. Because everything is clear in 2 hour, there is nothing. On 1 hour, this price is already tested. 2 hour, there is nothing. Yeah, so in the every time frame, like a 30 minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, there is nothing. Okay, so price already start, maybe price going to fill this week. Yeah. 2 minute left to this 15-minute candle to close. Yes, bro. I already sent you a text on WhatsApp. So this 15-minute candle closed bullish above this fake out zone, but as you can see, this candle closed far from this fake out, right? So we need to retest this zone, and then after we can look for buy. Otherwise it's not good, because it's a low probability trade, because most of the time price retest the zone by week or by candle to close. But let's see. Okay, okay, bro. Also, in this current candle in 30 minutes, there is no wick at the bottom, right? So it's this trade is not valid at all for me, because I need a wick. Price will continue push upside. This trade was the this kind of trade in a month we will get maybe one times or two times. If you hold, then it's went to the 5 to 6 hour. Also, today is a match, India versus Zimbabwe. Mm, price went now. Yes, yes. In 7 minutes, NY is going to be start. So Monday price was bearish, Tuesday bullish, and again like a 2 day. Now price going to up. It means as per higher time frame, weekly created a week. Once weekly going to break the previous candle's high, this one, then I'm expecting gold is going to make a new higher high, or maybe gold can retest the first this zone and then maybe going downside. Let's see, but it's take a time like a 1 month, or maybe don't know if there is news, then in a week it is possible to retest that high. Let me check GU. Hmm. GU. Same in GU is there is nothing. Just gold is moving. Okay, so 9 seconds left to this one 30-minute candle to close. Also, same time this 1 hour candle is going to be closed and NY is open. So now I think NY is open and it's straight the price push still upside. We need a pullback to take a buy. Also now this week is almost filled, right? 80% of this week is filled. So maybe now we can get a pullback and then continue fly. I will wait for another half an hour after I will close the stream because if gold fly continues, then maybe we cannot get anything. And as soon as these move, because today there is a 3 p.m. in UK, there is a news, right? So news going to maybe the news going to push price for the downside because see how the candle is close, nothing, there is nothing, retest, and right. So this move is going to be recover as soon as possible. So maybe in news, but let's see. Still nothing. 5 minutes passed, but price still continues fly. So that's the reason we have to wait. After half an hour, I'm going to close the stream because there is no point to wait because it's pre-NY. So maybe in 15 or maybe in 30 minutes we can get the trade. But let's see. Otherwise, I will close the stream. If in 30 minutes, if this current candle close bearish below of this zone and after start price pushing, continue making new lower high and lower low, then I'm also looking for sell. Because it's 40 bits, 38 to 40 bits, so it's enough. this area. So I'm expecting in 30 minutes, not maybe now 30 minutes, but in maybe 1 hour, it's going to be fade out because there is 46 minutes left for this 1 hour. But if you can see the 30 minutes, there is only 15 minutes left. So I don't think so price can cover this in 15 minutes. Okay, 38. Okay. So now can you hear me? Because I think everything is, I'm not using my laptop mic. Now maybe you can hear me clearly. I'm not sure. If this kind of trade happen somewhere nearby these levels, then I'm going to enter with these high stop losses just below of this low, 172 pip stop loss, and first target is, let's see, there is already one on one. Now the next target is 1 is to 1.5. But when I want this type of trade nearby these levels, see, but it's not valid because it's too far from the zone. So, Harsh bro, can you hear me now? I think so. Everything is okay, but I I think the trade. Okay, okay, bro. This one is the clear trade with the price action. Pull back and shoot up. I think it's already hit one on 1 is to 1.5. Yeah, see, 1 is to 1.5, another trade. But it's not like what I want. So, because left hand side is clear, this all is liquidity. So now the next target is 2385. Maybe we can get some kind of reaction, and then news is news time. I'm expecting the news time price is shooting all the way upside and then push downside at 3 o'clock in my time zone. So yeah, now there is no point to wait because I know prices continues pushing upside all the way. So I'm going to close the stream and we will see you tomorrow in the morning. Maybe I'm thinking I'm going to start the stream at early morning at 6 o'clock in my time zone. So it means in your time zone it's like 11 or maybe 11:30. Let's see. And for today I'm done because there is no point to wait. So yeah, there are 3 people watching this stream. Please do like and subscribe and we will see you tomorrow. Bye, take care.